Come here. This is what you can do after you've hand-raised babies. Yeah. You can play with them and they run all over you and they fly to you and want to eat your ear and help you clean your glasses. Yeah. There's Foxtrot. Yeah. These are my kids, two of my kids. The third one can't fly. He's got that feather duster thing on one side of his body, so he doesn't have any flight feathers. But these two are his brother and sister, sister and sister. I don't know. Sometimes they look like males, sometimes they look like females. So I guess they're still too little, too young to realize that, and they're only 2 months old. So these are my children. Yeah, these are my critters. Yeah, I got 2 more behind me, but yeah, come here, Alpha. Come here, Foxtrot. Come on, Foxtrot. Say hello. Alright, Foxtrot's the camera side. Alpha likes the camera. Alpha, you like the camera? Alpha. Okay. Alright. Thanks for watching.